Have you found yourself longing to make a dream a reality? Would you like to achieve financial freedom? Are you swimming in debt? Do you want to be prepared for retirement? Ready to find abundance and share your gifts with the world? Get control of your clutter so your financial clutter doesn't control you. Reclaim time, money, sanity, and resources. Got Clutter 365 Journal Prompt Financial supports you in clearing your money clutter. Free gift with purchase to support you even more in your journey to declutter your life and find a healthy relationship with money and finances. Awareness plus action equals change. When you become aware of your clutter, then you can take action to release it. You may not even be aware of the clutter you have in your life. Stop being afraid. How has your fear prevented you from living your life to the fullest? Learn how to clear your clutter, which will support you in clearing clutter in other areas of your life. Gain clarity. Are you tired of being stressed out most of the time? Clearing your clutter allows you to focus on what's most important in your life. Honor your pace. The prompts aren't dated or numbered, so you can do the workbook to fit your lifestyle and schedule. Many times people with clutter are overwhelmed, so I've added an additional step of teasing out what's most important for you to know with each question. You can choose to do this or not. You've got this. Are you worried you can't do it alone? Know that you can declutter your life. Even if you've never done this work before, it's within your abilities. Don't sell yourself short and underestimate what you can accomplish. Start today. Isn't it time you took the first step to release clutter and reclaim your life? The present moment is your point of power to change. Check out all of my Got Clutter 365 Journal Prompt books to clear all the clutter in your life. Available at reawakenyourbrilliance.com, Amazon, Google Books, and more.